Valentina Betrugno. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. You're from... Ano nga yung pinapanood ko ngayon? You're... Where are you from? Toto Benny. Wait lang, I'll translate you. Wait, I don't understand you, but I translate yours, what you said. Okay? Wait for a minute. Okay, wait. Hi! Everything okay? Yeah, it's okay. Valentina, it's okay. Also awake. Yes, I'm awake. My eyes is sobrang ano. Yeah, Valentina, everything's okay. Everything is fine. I'm awake. My eyes is like that always. You are Spanish? It's hot. Okay, Valentina. Where are you from, Valentina? You are Spanish? I don't understand what you said, Valentina. But I translate in Google Translation to understand you. Yeah. Where are you from? What country? Valentina. Ten viewers, mega love shoutout. Please like our live, guys. Valentina, how old are you also? 10 viewers, mega love shoutout. Yeah, it's hot here in the Philippines. Valentina. Where are you from, Valentina? Okay, tita. Thank you, Jan Lagson. Thank you for pagpunta sa aking live at pagsuporta. Paano po mag-live? Kailangan Akisha, may 50 subscriber ka before mag-live. There's di ba pag nag-live, pag nag-open ka ng channel mo, there's a positive. May positive sa baba. Doon, pumunta ka, tas meron pa right side, ganunin mo. Tas may makikita kang live. Kasi close pa yan, kasi kailangan may 50 to 500 subscriber na ikaw bago mag-open. 11 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, happy Monday, guys. Good morning everyone. Yan. Si Injury Romilan Lacson, Rotlin Lacson po. Risa Lacson, Romel Lacson. Halat kayo injured? Okay po, salamat. You're welcome, Akisha. Taga saan ka? Akisha. Yeah, okay. Ate, di ba tayo anong merienda? 10:33 pa na. 5 viewers, mega love shot. 5 viewers, hello.